30,000 developers use Claude code every day without Claude. Same CLI, same file edits, same terminal, but zero Anthropic bill. An NVIDIA engineer made it possible. With a single Python server that hit 30,000 GitHub stars in 4 months. It's called free-claude-code, a reverse proxy that sits between Claude code and Anthropic's API. Every request Claude code sends, the proxy intercepts it and reroutes it to a free provider. NVIDIA NIM, Google Gemini, DeepSeek, Mistral, 17 backends total. Claude code doesn't know the difference. It thinks it's talking to Anthropic. It's not. Here's the part nobody talks about. The author, Ali Khokhar, is a systems software engineer at NVIDIA. And the default provider his tool recommends, NVIDIA NIM, free tier, 40 requests per minute. An NVIDIA employee built the easiest on-ramp to NVIDIA's inference platform, disguised as a Claude code hack. That's not a side project. That's a chess move. But here's the catch. You get Claude's hands, not Claude's brain. Simple refactors, free works fine. Complex multi-file debugging, the model quality drops and you feel it. 30,000 devs said the trade-off is worth it. Whether it is for you depends on what you're building. 30,000 stars, 17 free providers, 1 proxy. Link in the description. Bite-size AI drops on Instagram. Deep dives here on YouTube.